Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Finecare Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Test. So this we used along with the FIA meters only, Finecare FIA Meters. You can see the CE certified product, and you can see the key contents here. Test 25 individual sealed pouches, 1 ID chip, 1 IFE brochure, and 25 paper tips and 25 reduction buffer tubes. This is the 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. This says Finecare Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Test. You can see the reference part number, the lot number, and also a standard expiry period of 2 years. The storage condition is room temperature. You can see around the box. This is from Wondfo Finecare. You can see it's manufactured in Guangzhou, China, from Wondfo. You can see this here. Okay, this side. I'm going to unbox this for you. You can see this. So inside there is an IFE brochure. You can see it's a Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Test. It says the Finecare Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Test along with Finecare FIA Meters is a fluorescence immunoassay for quantitative measurement of total IgE in human whole blood, serum and plasma. The test is used as an aid in diagnosis of allergic diseases. You can see you have the summary and you have the principal precautions and how to prepare for your test, how to conduct your test. You have the complete procedure, the limitations, and how do you interpret your results. You have the complete procedure to conduct this test actually. Yeah, you have the complete details actually. So further, if you go inside, you can see that there is 25 paper tips. I can show you this here. You can see this paper tips. You can see the pipettes. This is 5 paper tips. And then there's one ID chip. You can see this here. One ID chip Finecare, and it says Total IgE. This also has a lot number reference is here, there, and also the pack. I'm keeping the ID chip here. Let me put this way so that you can see this. You can see the Total IgE is here. And further, there is a 25 reduction buffers. You can see this here. Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Reduction Buffers. The reference part number is CE certified. You can see the reference part numbers and expiry period. This is how the buffers looks like. So the 25 individual buffers are there. Just keeping it here. And then you have 25 test cassettes. I'm pulling out 2 for you. Just keeping it here. You can see this. It says the reference part number. It says Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Test. You got the lot number and also the manufacturing and expiry period. The other side of the pouch shows the manufacturing location of the company. So if you look at quickly to summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of Finecare Total IgE Rapid Quantitative Test. This is the 25 test kit pack. In a 25 test kit pack, you get one IFE brochure and 25 paper tips and one ID chip and 25 reduction buffers and then 25 test cartridges. This is how the total test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.